my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 136 of our 365-day daily devotionals. Guys, we are like close to halfway, almost halfway. This is so crazy. I'm so proud of us for actually sticking with this. I cannot thank you guys enough for being a part of this. Those of you that have been with me from the beginning, and those of you that are new, I appreciate you so much. It really gives me an accountability that is priceless. So if you've missed any of the previous episodes and you'd like to check this out, there is a playlist in the description box. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and it is absolutely fantastic. All right, let's jump right in. Number 136, and I do apologize if you can hear the lawnmower. They're actually mowing outside the cabin, but this was the only time that I had to do this, so we're gonna do it, okay? All right, number 136. Spending time alone with me is essential for your well-being. It is not a luxury or an option. It is a necessity. Man. Therefore, do not feel guilty about taking time to be with me. Remember that Satan is the accuser of believers. He delights in heaping guilt feelings upon you, especially when you are enjoying my presence. When you feel Satan's arrows of accusation, you are probably on the right track. Use your shield of faith to protect yourself from him. Talk with me about what you are experiencing and ask me to show you the way forward. Resist the devil and he will flee from you. Come near to me and I will come near to you. So good. Spending time alone with me is essential for your well-being. It is not a luxury or an option. It is a necessity. When you feel Satan's arrows of accusation, you are probably on the right track. Use your shield of faith to protect yourself from him. Talk with me about what you are experiencing and ask me to show you the way forward. Man, so good. You know, that's something that I don't do enough, is spend time alone with God. I mean, I talk to God throughout my day, all day long. I mean, there's different things, you know, whatever. I try to make God the forefront of my focus and then allow my day to just kind of fall into place, if that makes sense. But I don't spend enough time alone with him. I definitely do not. And it is a necessity for your well-being. If you are suffering from problems in your life, or sadness, or depression, anxiety, any of those things, get quiet and get with God. Be still in his presence. Acknowledge that he is God and that he can help you. Just like this devotional says, tell him exactly what you are experiencing and ask him how to go forward. So good. So good. All right, let's do the verses. Then I heard a loud voice in heaven say, now have come the salvation and the power and the kingdom of our God and the authority of his Christ. For the accuser of our brothers, who accuses them before our God day and night, has been hurled down. Revelation 12:10. In addition to all this, take up the shield of faith, with which you can extinguish all the flaming arrows of the evil one. Ephesians 6:16. That's a good verse. Submit yourselves then to God. Resist the devil, and he will flee from you. Come near to God, and he will come near to you. Wash your hands, you sinners, and purify your hearts, you double-minded. James 4:7-8. Did y'all hear that? Listen to this part of that verse. I'm not going to read the whole verse again, but just this particular part. Resist the devil, and he will flee from you. Come near to God, and he will come near to you. There's lots of times throughout the day that I have to say, all right, devil, get beneath me. I'm gonna remind you of your future. Be gone. Get away from me. I mean, that happens all the time. But I absolutely have to be disciplined and know when it's the devil coming after me, and absolutely tell him to flee from me and ask God to be with me immediately. I always tell the devil that the Lord is my Savior. So good. Spending time alone with me is essential for your well-being. Very, very good one today. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. Don't forget the giveaway. I will be announcing the winners probably Thursday or Friday. I just did not have time over the weekend to get any of that done. So I will be working on that in the next couple of days. And then I will let you guys know who won the devotionals. I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited about it. Anyways, all right. Thank you all so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.